Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today we'll be discussing how to replace a fill pipe in the back of a toilet tank. When replacing a fill valve, you're going to need a couple tools. A standard pair of pliers and a rag. Don't mind getting a little rusty. The first step you want to do when replacing the fill valve in the back of a toilet is go ahead and shut your water off, usually located on either side of the toilet. Now you're going to go ahead and flush the toilet so that way all the water drains out of the back of the tank. Now that all the water is drained out of the back of the tank, let's go ahead and take the lid off. Be sure to do this very gently so that way you don't drop it and crack the porcelain. Let's go ahead and soak up all the remaining water in the back of the tank with your towel. Go ahead and take your pair of pliers and you want to go to your fill valve here on the side, which is actually the pipe going into the toilet. If you look right where it connects to the bottom of the toilet, there should be a nut there. Go ahead and gently loosen that nut. Now that we got the fill line going into the toilet removed, if you look right up against the bottom of the porcelain, there is actually a bolt holding your fill valve together. Go ahead and gently loosen that. Be sure that you do not break the plastic bolts. Now that the fill valve has been disconnected from the bottom, simply pull up on the fill valve, removing it. Take your new fill valve, place the provided washer onto the bottom. Simply place it back into the hole that you pulled the old one out of. Take your fill tube and place it in the back of the overflow valve. Take your nut and place it back into position. Go ahead and put your fill line back into the fill valve and reconnect it. With your pliers, apply a little bit of pressure to finish tightening. Go ahead and turn your water back on. Be sure to do this very slowly so you don't rupture anything in the back of the tank. The last step is to check for leaks right here where you hooked up the fill valve to the fill line. If all's good there, your job's done. I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors, and that's how you fix the fill pipe in the back of a toilet tank.